We've just added automation rules to our notification templates. That's what's new at SureView. Let's check it out.
To take advantage of the new notification rules, just click on the menu, go down to notification templates. There's a new option over to the right that says notification rules. Select that. You'll notice I've created one called criminal activity notification. The goal of this notification is when someone selects a particular outcome, criminal activity, I want it to automatically send out a notification. So this is how it's set up. Basically, you've got a title of the condition, so send the notification on an event outcome when it's criminal activity. Your options here is that it could be on event outcome, it could be send the notification on a particular area or priority. In this particular case, I say it's inheritance, so it takes anything from the top level. And then the value is, this is all my outcome, event outcome, so I selected criminal activity. Then the action is, I want to send this email, and in this particular situation, I didn't send to a group, I sent to two individuals, myself and Tom. So really that easy. You can add additional conditions or additional actions. Pretty simple to set up. Let's go back over to an alarm and we'll see how this automated notification rule works. So we're going to go ahead and pick up this event here, which is two people, one in a gray hoodie, tan jacket. And in this particular case, you can see that there looks like there's two guys here and they might be shoplifting. So we're going to go and send out a notification. So we might fill out our action plan and say possible shoplifting, complete that. Notify parties, was it a member of the public? Yes. Member of the team? No. I'm going to close this event out with criminal activity. Got my summary here. When I hit OK, because I selected, it will automatically bring up the notification window. Automatically populate the contact email address for Simon and Tom. I'm going to go and select the incident report. It brings in all of my information here. I have a custom field to put in a police crime number, who it was, police, don't want to put in who, what, where, when, and that will automatically send off my notification. And this is an example of that report that was sent out with all the information that was auto-populated. So it simply prompted me at the end of the event to send out that notification so that I didn't have to choose that. It's really that easy to set up. Try it out for yourself.